Hey y'all, beautiful soul here, and I'm back with another video. So obviously from the title you already know what this video is about. It's about the Nike SACAI waffle black nylon. So this is my very first pair of SACAI, and to be honest with you, I was not a fan of it. I just could not get down with like the elongated midsole. But as time went on and I saw different pictures, I'm like, you know what, I probably can do this. So instead of going for one of the more expensive pairs, because I am a big fan of the varsity blue SACAI, but they was a little pricey, so to tiptoe into it, I was able to get the black nylon, and you know what, it's a pretty nice shoe. First things first, sizing. I'm usually just a 5.5 straight out, but when certain shoes come out that's more sleek or a more slender shoe, I'll get a size 6 sometimes. And being that this seemed more like a sleek shoe, I went ahead and got a 6. And to be honest, I still could have went ahead and got a 5.5. Only thing is, it probably would have been like spot on perfect fit, like no room whatsoever, which is fine, because in the size 6 there's a little bit space, but only more so like on the side of the toe area, if you get what I'm saying. So I say they run pretty true to size, but if you do have a thicker or chunkier foot, you could get like a half size bigger, just like if you're into thicker socks or stuff like that. The laces, I noticed that only the ribbon laces have a gold lace tip, and I would have liked it if all the laces came with gold lace tips. I mean, it's really not a big deal, because if I really wanted, it's nothing to get some gold lace tips, but I think it would have been nice if some of the other laces had gold tips as well. I wanted to do a on foot look outside of these, but it's quite gloomy. I think it's getting ready to rain, because it's pretty much been raining these past few days, so I'll just go ahead and do an on foot look inside and call it a day. So yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Leave some comments in the comment section. Also too, you can follow me on Instagram. That's beautiful soul, and the L in beautiful is a 1, and I'll just see you on my next video.